and welcome to Indian Oil Connect. Today we have with us Executive Director Materials and Contracts of Indian Oil's Pipelines Division, Ms. Mahua Basu. Welcome, ma'am, to Indian Oil Connect.
Thank you.
To start with, ma'am, can you just tell us what is the role of Materials and Contracts in Pipelines Division?
Actually, Pipelines Division as it is plays a pivotal role in the entire working function of our corporation. And I somehow believe that it's like that unbreakable umbilical cord between two twin competencies of our mighty corporation, like marketing and refineries. And that's why the functioning of pipelines is extremely important. And as head of MNC here, I have a whole gamut of, I should make available a whole gamut of materials, services, and works for the seamless operation of this important division. And I need to strategize my procurements, I need to do materials management, I also need to do contract management along with that. Of course, and aligning all my jobs with the public policies in a transparent manner and maintaining corporate governance. And last but not the least, of course, is vendor development and cost optimization, which is very, very important.
Ma'am, Indian Oil has moved into a transformative journey of sprint. So what is the role of Materials and Contracts in this new project?
MNC has to play a very major role in this, so that we can achieve whatever other targets that we have set up in Sprint. Sprint, as far as I could make out that day, has been very well documented and very well planned. So all we need to do now is imbibe a very holistic approach towards that, and then cut short, especially MNC should cut short all the superfluous and unprecedented maybe processes which are not required anymore, and thereby achieve a very efficient digital outputs. And this we should do with the least amount of human interventions, try our best to optimize human interventions in all these processes. And I believe whether it is in MNC or any other department, this should be a way of life for all of us. Each employee of Indian Oil Corporation should make this a way of life, and we should attest our allegiance to this, for not for anything else but for this mighty corporation that we work for, and move ahead and become change makers in this process in our journey of unstoppable growth. That's how I sum up Sprint.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us in Indian Oil Connect. It was a pleasure meeting you and talking
Thank
to
you
you
so much.
regarding Sprint. Thank you, ma'am. So that was Ms. Mahua Basu for you, who spoke to us regarding the role of Materials and Contracts in the new project Sprint of Indian Oil. Stay tuned for more such innovative discussions on technology and the latest trends in the energy sector. Thank you.